ones to settle. March through these streets like Soweto.
Like Cain and Abel, Caesar and Brutus, Jesus and Judas, backstabbers do this. Forgive them, Father, for they know what they do. What they do. Forgive them, Father, they know not what they do. What they do. It took me a little while to discover wolves in sheep coats who pretend to be lovers, men who lack conscience will even lie to themselves, A friend once said, and I found to be true, that everyday people, they lie to God too. So what makes you think that they won't lie to you? Forgive them, Father, for they know not what they do.
Forgive them, forgive them.
Forgive them, Father, for they know not what they do.
Forgive them, forgive them. Go on like them, love you while them rip you to shreds. Trample upon your want and left you for dead. Them are your friend who you depend on from way back when. But if you give them your back, then you must meet to end. Them don't know what them do.
Who's
Them
gonna
don't know what them do.
Gonna be
Them don't know what them do. Them don't know what them do.
Forgive them, Father. Forgive them, Father.
What do you think?
It just happened, like things just be going on, and then like 24/7 you think about the girl and stuff like that, and then you like, if you do something wrong, you like, oh, do she hate you? Like, you want to know what they think and stuff like that.
So what she feels is important to you,
Right.
huh?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want her to still love me, but you know.
You-
But I know she still like me because, you know, a little eye contact. Because I don't know her no more, but.
Oh, you talking about somebody? You know
No,
that.